Jai Shri Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, uh, actually last night I have been suffering from fever since last night, so I am not feeling good. It's very cold outside, okay? It's chilly cold, okay? And there here temperature is 6-degree temperature in the morning, so you can feel, you can think how, how was the cold, how was the day. Okay, it's very cold day. So last night I'm not feeling good, and that's why I don't want to make any video, and I don't want to make any English speaking practice. And so when I was sleeping in the bed and just I not feeling good, so I started to watch the movie. And my daughter have told me that mom, please watch movie 12th pass. So I started to watch movie. Okay, just start to watch. How was the movie? Because I heard this movie was so good, and this movie is so good. So when I started to watch the movie, and I don't remember how uh, 2.5 an hour, how can pass, because it's a wonderful movie, wonderful movie. And this movie you have find some motivation, some inspiration. How can a lower middle class person become IPS officer? Because of his hard work, because of his consistency, because of his determination. It's a wonderful movie. And when I watch this movie, so then I back up, I just take a medicine, and now I am feeling little bit good. So I started to make a video, because this movie give me inspiration. Okay, it's a wonderful movie, very motivational movie. You can watch, you must watch this movie. Okay, I'm not making this video for the promotion of this movie. No, no, I'm just want to share with you my experience. How did I like this movie? It's a wonderful movie, so that's why I telling you that you must watch this movie 12th pass. It's a wonderful movie. Okay, and it's a true movie. Okay, so please watch this movie. Now I am talking about consistency. Okay, it's very important. Consistency is very important. Okay, and in morning I don't want to make any video, I don't want to do practice. But when I watched the movie and then I started to make a video, then I think, no, I am not going to skip my day, my English speaking practice. So that's why I started to make a video. And please make sure, if you don't feel one day, you are not feeling good and you want to skip your first day, so it's happened with everyone. Okay, it's happened with me. Okay, but what you need to do, you need to take some motivation. If you have no motivation in your inner side, then you can take motivation with others. Okay, you can watch any motivational video, you can watch any motivational movie. Okay, you can watch any motivational or listen any motivational speech. Okay, because these types of motivational audio or video will give you motivation, okay, to do your work with consistency. Okay, so this is power of consistency and motivation. And once you take a decision that yes, I am going to learn this language, or yes, I am going to clear my exam, so it's very easy to take a decision, but it's very difficult to stay with that this decision, because their journey, in this journey there are so many times, days will come to you that you don't feel good, you will not feel motivated all the day. So you have to keep a motivation with yourself. If you don't feel that, you feel first one day you feel that you don't make any video, you don't make to do study for the examination, so you can take motivation with others, with others biopic, with others audio video, any motivational movie, any motivational audio. So in this way you can keep motivated by, keep motivated yourself. Okay, because motivation is very important. And I hope you like my video. If you did so, please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you. Okay friends, so we will meet you, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.